In my 5 years in Airbnb hosting, I've tried hundreds of cleaners. Some of them were good and some of them were not so good, to say the least. In this time, I've been able to create a bulletproof guide on how to get the best of the best cleaners for your Airbnb serviced accommodation. So you never get complaints from guests and you always attain 5-star reviews on all platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and even direct bookings. I'm about to reveal it right now. For context, my name is Thabo Nhlangano. I've hosted hundreds and hundreds of guests over the past 5 years, averaging 5-star ratings in all platforms, Airbnb, Booking.com, and direct bookings. The first thing you should consider when hiring cleaners are your requirements. What scope of work do you want the cleaning team to come and do in your property? These can range from cleaning only, or in addition, cleaning and linen change, adding also like restock of supplies. The general rule of thumb is to clean your properties after every checkout. If it's a long booking, you can add a mid-stay clean. Serviced accommodation differs from hotels in the sense of if you're in a hotel, you get it cleaned every morning, which to me is not economical, as most people don't change their linen every morning in their personal homes. With Airbnb, it's like that as well. We clean every time a guest leaves, and this is a full deep clean, so next guest finds it spotless with everything changed. The next thing on the cleaning guide is knowing what qualities to look out for when hiring a cleaner. Experience is always the best teacher, so we are always looking for cleaners who are experienced with Airbnbs. But that doesn't mean you can't train someone who hasn't done it before. It might take longer for them to get up to speed, but it's always good to give other people an opportunity to start their Airbnb cleaning career. When hiring, these are the things which I look out for. I look out for reliability. Is this person reliable? Will they let me down? Or last minute cleans, they let me down? No. I'm looking for someone who pays attention to detail, professionalism, trustworthiness, and respect. Personal hygiene and cleanliness is a must. I mean, this is a cleaning job. What do you expect? So where can you find these high quality cleaners? You can ask other Airbnb hosts for referrals on Facebook group, WhatsApp groups. You can also Google cleaning companies in your particular area. Once you've identified potential cleaners, you want to have an interview with them. Just like any other job, you interview people to make sure they're a good fit for your business. I'm just going to share some questions which I've asked my previous cleaners in an interview. Talk about their experience. I ask about their availability, if they can do certain hours, certain times. I talk about the approach of cleaning, what products they use, their ability to handle guest issues, if something goes missing or there's a big mess. I also speak about communication. How do they prefer for me and them to communicate, and what channels do they prefer using? After narrowing down on your top candidate, you want to do a trial clean, which you have to pay them, obviously. If the trial clean is successful, you want to discuss the contracts and agreements. It's very important to have these in place, contracts and agreements, just in case anything goes wrong. After getting the admin stuff out of the way, it's all about quality control. You can enforce this by asking for before and after pictures after every clean. These can be sent to your chosen communication channel with you and the cleaner. Because life is unpredictable, it's wise to always have a backup plan for a cleaner, just in case something happens to your cleaner and they can't make it for a particular clean. Most cleaners will have friends who they can recommend, and maybe they can step in when the cleaner is away on holidays or things like that. That's the full guide on how to hire the best of the best cleaners for your Airbnb business. There's a lot more that goes into running a successful Airbnb business besides just having a good cleaning staff. If you'd like to learn more about how you can start and grow your Airbnb business to 5,000-10,000 a month in profit, feel free to click on the first link in the description and you book a call with me. I will personally be on the other side of the call to help you, guide you so you can start your Airbnb business.